Good evening, viewers. Welcome to today's news edition. Before heading to the news in detail, here are the headlines. PM Modi concludes his G7 Italy visit, says he presented India's perspective at the world stage. NPP-BJP alliance to continue in Meghalaya for sake of development, says Cabinet Minister Rakam Sangma. Meghalaya Health Advisory Board Chairman admits shortage of doctors, nurses at Nongpo Civil Hospital. War Mimi Dorbars demand action against police for allegedly torturing 65-year-old man in Dauki. It is difficult to distinguish edible mushroom from poisonous one, says officials, urges farmers to cultivate mushrooms in one's own farm. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has returned to New Delhi this morning after concluding his day-long visit to Italy. In a social media post, the Prime Minister described the visit as productive and said it was an important G7 summit where he presented India's perspective at the world stage. Addressing the outreach session at the G7 summit in Apulia, Italy yesterday, PM Modi called for giving priority to the concerns of the Global South, in particular Africa, adding that it was a matter of honor for India that African Union was admitted as a permanent member of the G20 under its presidency. Though the NPP and BJP partnership did not work in the recently concluded Lok Sabha election, both the parties have made it clear that the alliance would continue. Cabinet Minister and NPP leader Rakam Sangma said that they are supporting the NDA government at the centre for the sake of development. Meanwhile, Cabinet Minister and BJP leader A.L. Hek asserted that the alliance would continue and there are no discussions about breaking the ties.
That's not the right, right? So because we are part of the NDA, so look, and the last, it is because we need the support of the government of India. So without the support of the government of India, nothing gonna happen in the state because we are revenue generation is very, very, very low. So therefore, for the sake of governance, so we are part of the NDA and we are still part of the NDA.
There is no relationship at this point between the BJP and NPP. We are together, we are there. Even the Honorable CM came to NDA meeting. He met our Prime Minister, he met all the ministers, which is, they met JP Nadda also. They have met everybody. The relation, they have strengthened the relation with BJP and NPP.
Nongpo MLA and the chairman of the Meghalaya State Health Advisory Board, Miralborn's Aim, has acknowledged that there is a shortage of doctors and nurses at Nongpo Civil Hospital. However, efforts are on to have more equipment at this district hospital. Aim further said that very soon an operation theatre will be made operational at Nongpo Civil Hospital. The 100-bedded civil hospital now has a centralized oxygen plant. The Nongpo MLA also spoke about the maternal and child health hospital, which will come up soon in Ribhoi district.
In the past also, with regards for more equipments that has to be set up within civil hospital, where the trauma center also, now the work is on to have a proper operation theater, the OT, blood bank we already have. So we understand this also will cater for the emergency cases that will happen within the district. At the same time, with regards to other issues which is there within the civil hospital itself, before we don't have the centralized oxygen plant. Now we are happy that the centralized oxygen plant has been in place for all the 100 beds.
The Association of Power Engineers, Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL, yesterday served a month deadline to fill up the vacancies and to promote junior engineers to assistant engineers. The decision was taken during the general body meeting of the association at the Sosotam Auditorium. President of the association, Arju Khar, said the vacancies should be filled up at the earliest so that field employees, be it contractual, jugali, linesmen and other field staff, are provided relief. He further informed that there are 1,600 to 1,700 contractual employees at different levels.
So, we request the government to fill up these vacancies on priority at the earliest, so that the field employees, be it the contractual, jubilee, lineman, other field staff who are there in the field, in the substation, in the power stations, are relieved of.
The Federation of War Mingi local Dorbars, comprising 25 Dorbars, has called on Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home, Police, Preston Tinsong, to act on a formal complaint lodged earlier with the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission against the officer in charge and police personnel of Dauki Police Station, accusing them of tying a 65-year-old man to a pole and setting dogs on him. Meanwhile, the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission MHRC has also taken cognizance of the allegations of abuse of power by the officials of Dauki Police Station.
Tengira habire baga ne kamata tengira ngim sotlan ke long persya ya ke pulit juga police station loki nambar ba kamtam yo ru duman long ba wala rede unu bro ko udon he ka hok ne ban sitam long da ba rai hok da ka hok jing bisar hok le ban shu ban sho shu dat long
Sardar of Mauringkanang village, Peter Lawai, today expressed concern over the delay in completion of the Pamlahare Greater Water Supply Scheme. Speaking to reporters, Lawai said that the project was sanctioned in 2023 at a cost of more than rupees 48 crores and has failed to meet the February 2024 deadline. While the treatment plant was completed, work on the main supply pipe is yet to start. The Dorbar Shnong of Mauringkanang has requested the PHE Minister and officials to start and complete the work as soon as possible by the month of July 2024.
Around the amount sanctioned is around 48 crores above, and the work they have started since 2023. I'm sad to say that now we have come here that this project now has been stopped because this treatment plan has been completed, but as per the order that they have given from the PHE department, they fixed the time that this project should be completed by the end of February 2024. But till now, we have seen some of the main water supply pipe, that some of the contractors, they have not started the work till now.
There has been very little research on the wild edible mushrooms and poisonous mushrooms, said the Assistant Director of Horticulture, Mushroom Development Centre, Kit Dorlang Kharpran, adding that it is difficult to distinguish an edible mushroom from a poisonous one, and that it is always safe to focus on cultivation of mushrooms in one's own farm. According to research by Nehu, mushroom foraging was a knowledge passed down from generations. It may be recalled that poisonous mushroom had claimed many lives in Saphai, West Jaintia Hills and Sidon, Ribhoi.
Te ban pinne fair shisha uta tit bolong ban bam but bolong ban bam na uta bolong bi ka kham shem jin jar shisha what ki scientist ru ki kham shem jin e kata te badru ban shem shisha bolong bi don kam daka ban lectures te nyai kumbolong mentan dai kani ka tip ka ba nadu mendai menthai kabala wan nadu kini ki kulong kuma ki mai temen ki patemen jongi hakaba kila ai kata ka jingi thu kini ki tit ki bolong ban bam bat ki bumlong ban bam ndai mata kala don ka jing ko no hakar kom tip lene kata ka jing tip bne sipang kini ki tit bolong bam ti ki dangdong ki bri ki bat tip sipang kini ki tit ki bolong bam ti ki khet bi tang ki tu bat kim tre ban khet kini ki ba kham phalang ndai.
The Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, MPCB Shillong, along with the Divisional Forest Office, DFO Nongstoin, and the Alliance for Sustainable Green and Clean Nature, yesterday organized a program to raise awareness about the critical issue of single-use plastic management at Bishop Hall in Nongstoin. By raising awareness and fostering collaboration between government bodies, NGOs, and the community, the state aims to create a more sustainable future. The Directorate of School Education and Literacy yesterday organized the Rajya Stariya Bal Vaigyanik Pradarshani 2023 to 2024 state-level science, mathematics and environment exhibition for children at the Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides State Headquarters in Shillong. Swapnil Tembe, the Director of School Education and Literacy Meghalaya Shillong, attended the program as chief guest. The district-level inter-school Subroto Mukherjee Cup, organized by the District Sports Officer East Khasi Hills, Shillong, has concluded yesterday at Polo Ground with a glorious win by the Assam Rifles Public School team in both the under-15 and under-17 boys category and the Tursat Higher Secondary School in the under-17 girls category. Iba Shembha Khongsit, Medon Banshan Korkalang and Banlam Kupa Rinja were declared the best players of the match in the three categories. The winners will be representing the district for upcoming state-level competition. In ICC Men's T20 World Cup today, India will take on Canada in their last group stage match at Central Broward Park Stadium in Florida in a short while from now at 8 p.m. Earlier, South Africa defeated Nepal by the margin of 1 run in a last-over thriller at Arnos Vale Ground, Kingstown in West Indies this morning. And now the weather report. Maximum temperature recorded today was at 22.4 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature was recorded at 17.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 100%, which went down to 92% in the evening. Rainfall recorded today was 9.4 millimeter. Forecast: moderate rain and thunderstorm are likely to occur at isolated places. Before we end this news bulletin, here are the headlines once again. PM Modi concludes his G7 Italy visit, says he presented India's perspective at the world stage. NPP-BJP alliance to continue in Meghalaya for sake of development, says Cabinet Minister Rakan Sangma. Meghalaya Health Advisory Board Chairman admits shortage of doctors, nurses at Nongpor Civil Hospital. Warmingi Dorbars demand action against police for allegedly torturing 65-year-old man in Dauki. It is difficult to distinguish edible mushroom from poisonous one, says officials, urges farmers to cultivate mushrooms in one's own farm. And that's all we have for you today in this news bulletin. Thank you for tuning in with us. Good night.